वेलकम फ्रेंड्स, एक बार फिर आप सभी का हमारे चैनल में स्वागत है। दोस्तों, एज वी आर स्टडिंग द एक्सरसाइज 13.3 ऑफ द चैप्टर सरफेस एरियाज एंड वॉल्यूम्स, वी आर स्टडिंग in this 13.3 the last question of this exercise, which is number 8 here. In this question it is given that a farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter 20 centimeter from a canal into a cylindrical tank in her field. Means that cylindrical pipe of internal diameter is 20 centimeter. This pipe is connected to the canal to bring the water in the cylindrical tank in her field, right? And this cylindrical tank, which is 10 meter in diameter and 2 meter in deep. Diameter is 10 meter and depth is 2 meter, means it is deep 2 meter. If the water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 km per hour in the cylindrical pipe, then in how much time will the tank be filled? Are you getting the meaning of the question? फार्मर क्या करता है, एक कैनाल के थ्रू कैनाल को पाइप और अपने खेत में एक सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक से कनेक्ट करता है। पानी कैनाल से आता है with the help of this cylindrical pipe. The measure of this cylindrical pipe, diameter is given 20 centimeter, right? So for the cylindrical pipe, as diameter is given 20 centimeter, diameter is given 20 centimeter, this for pipe from which the water is coming, for pipe, cylindrical pipe, which is 20 centimeter in diameter. Diameter is 20 centimeter, so the radius will be that R1, you can say this is a D1, radius will be 10 centimeter. Okay, now into the canal, and in the field there is a cylindrical tank. There is a cylindrical tank which is going to be filled by the water of diameter for the cylindrical tank in the field, and for cylindrical tank in the field B is given for the cylindrical tank in the field B, diameter D2 is equals to 10 meter. So radius will be R2, which is 5 meter, and it is given 2 meter deep. 2 meter deep, it means height H2 is equals to 2 meter, right? As this is given, if the water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 km per hour, the water flows through the pipe and water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 km per hour. Flows 3 km per hour from the pipe, right? So the question is asking how much time will the tank, in how much time will the tank be filled? So let's suppose that the tank will be filled. So let the tank will be filled in TR. Okay friends, so therefore the water came from the pipe in TR will be equals to the volume of water, or you can say the volume of the cylindrical tank in the field. Therefore the volume of water as conversion of solid from one shape to another shape. So the volume of water flows through the pipe in TR is equals to the volume of the cylindrical tank in her field. Volume of cylindrical tank in her field. Okay, so any problem? So as it is given, let us see the water flows through the pipe in TR, that is in 1 hour 3 kilometer it is water the flowing. As you know that the pipe is in cylindrical shape, so its volume is pi r square into h. So pi r square means r1 square into h. It flows in 3 kilometer, that in 1 hour. 3 kilometer in 1 hour multiplied by TR equals to the volume of cylindrical tank, which is pi r2 square h2. Pi r2 square into h2. So pi is cancelled from both the side. R1 is given 10 centimeter, square of it multiplied by 3 kilometer which is can be written as into TR is equals to R2. The value of R2 is given. Which is 5 meter square multiplied by H2 is 2 meter, right? So now be careful here you all. This unit is in centimeter, this is in kilometer, this is in meter, this is in meter. So what we need to do, we need to convert all the units in the standard measures, means in meter we have to convert all. So this 10 centimeter can be written as you know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 10 centimeter can be written as 1 upon 10 meter. So this is in meter, 1 upon 10 meter multiplied by 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer can be written as 3000 meter, because you know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, and this is 5 5s are 25. This is all in meter into 2 meter cube. So let us simplify this. It can be written as 1 upon 100 multiplied by 3000 into T is equals to 50. So this 20 is cancelled. Therefore T is equals to 50 upon 30 R. It is given 50 upon 30 R means 5 by 3 R. Therefore the time taken by the tank is 5 by 3 R, which can be written as 1 integer 2 upon 3 R. Therefore this can also be written as 1 hour and 2/3 multiplied by 60 minute. Why? Because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So this 2/3 hour we are going to convert it into the minute. So it can be written as 1 hour and 3 2s are 6, 20 2s are 40 minute, the time taken by the pipe to fill the tank. Therefore, the time taken by the pipe is 1 hour 40 minute to fill the tank. Right? So once again you understand, this is the amount of water filled in 1 hour. So as we have, suppose that it will be filled in TR. So therefore we have multiplied it by T and taken the volume of this cylindrical tank which was in her field. After simplifying, this centimeter it was, we have converted it into meter, and this kilometer was, we have converted into meter. As you know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Accordingly we have to solve. So we got the time taken by the pipe to fill the cylindrical tank is 5/3 hour, and this 5/3 hour can be written as 1 integer 2/3. 1 integer 2/3 means both are in hour, means 1 hour and 2/3 hour. So this 2/3 we have converted into minute to multiply it by 1 hour is equals to 60 minute. Therefore we got the time 1 hour 40 minute, the time taken by the pipe to fill the tank completely. Okay.